What's the value in understanding what's underneath? About $11.39 can be saved for every $1 spent on subsurface utility engineering. The cost of conducting an SUE survey was estimated at only 1.65% of the overall project cost. These costs factor in utility relocation and damages, traffic delays, business and environmental impact, and other various factors. Trinity Subsurface offers a variety of technical, pipe, and excavation services, including utility locating, leak detection, hydrojetting, video pipe inspection, inflow and infiltration control, trenchless pipe repairs, as well as concrete scanning and analysis, CAD mapping, and vacuum excavation. Utility locating involves data collection, documentation, and communication. Learning that one line is actually a different utility can prevent you from drilling into something potentially dangerous. Yikes! Our team uses a variety of technologies and methods to understand what's underneath your big projects. Our services can help you save time, money, and lives. Trinity Subsurface. Schedule for your next project today.